Hello and welcome. Today we are going to briefly discuss geothermal heating and cooling, an efficient system that does not require burning of any fossil fuel and will save you the most money on your energy bill. Every year, we face various changes in temperatures. In summers, the mercury rises to an unbearable amount, and in the freezing winters, it significantly decreases. Every home then has to perform a balancing act throughout the year in order to keep the temperature at a comfortable level. However, this process is costly and it consumes valuable resources. Perhaps we can employ innovative methods that can help in cooling down or heating up our houses efficiently. The Earth maintains a constant temperature almost 10 to 20 feet below the surface. This temperature is colder than the air above ground in summers and warmer during winters. Perhaps we can harness this Earth's temperature using some sort of a mechanism to cool or warm our houses. After all, geothermal energy is a renewable resource, literally right below our feet. One way to do that is to use a geothermal heat pump. A geothermal heat pump can transfer the energy from the ground to your home in an efficient manner. It starts with the earth loop or the ground loop, which can be a horizontal or vertical loop of pipes with water running inside it. During cold winter months, as the water flows through the ground, it will absorb the energy from the ground, and its temperature will increase. This heat is then transferred to the refrigerant in the evaporator. And as a result, the refrigerant starts to evaporate. The refrigerant, which is in the steam form, makes its way to a compressor. The compressor compresses the refrigerant to further increase its temperature. The refrigerant is then passed back to the liquid phase in the condenser. Here, this heat is transferred to another set of pipes that would take the hot water to your home for multiple uses. Finally, liquid phase refrigerant flows through an expansion valve where its pressure reduces suddenly, and along with it its temperature. And the process is repeated again. Geothermal heating and cooling will let you control your electricity bill, along with many other advantages. It is suitable for almost all homes and businesses and requires no fossil fuels. In fact, making the switch to geothermal can reduce your home greenhouse gas emissions by as much as 75%. If you have found this short video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for lots more content like this. Thank you for watching.